Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Love is the joy of the good, the wonder of the wise, the amazement of the gods. To love someone is to identify with them. The best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. Love is not something you fall into, but something you rise into. Where there is love, there is life. The heart has reasons that reason does not understand. We are shaped and fashioned by what we love. Love is the beauty of the soul. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. Forgiveness is an endless act of love. The most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is the only sane and satisfactory answer to the problem of human existence. Love is a fruit in season at all times and within the reach of every hand. Love is an endless act of creation. Love is an act of endless forgiveness, a tender look which becomes a habit. Love is a canvas furnished by nature and embroidered by imagination. Love is not just looking at each other, it's looking in the same direction. The only way to retain love is to give it away. Love is a mutual self-giving which ends in self-recovery. Love is an endless act of becoming. To be fully seen by somebody then and be loved anyhow, this is a human offering that can border on miraculous. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. Love is a fire, but whether it is going to warm your hearth or burn down your house, you can never tell. Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation. Love is an endless act of vulnerability. In love, one and one are one. Love is an endless act of understanding. To love oneself is the beginning of a lifelong romance. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. Love is an endless act of self-discovery. Love is an act of endless forgiveness, a tender look which becomes a habit. Love is not an emotion, it's your very existence.